Hello guys, welcome to Motivated Engineer. In this video we are going to learn how can we create a GitHub account. GitHub is basically for developers, so let us start the video. So open Google and in the search box search for GitHub. And now look for github.com. The second result, first one is the ad. And here is the first look of GitHub. So this is basically built for developers. Around 50 millions of developers are using GitHub for their respective purpose, and even business organizations are also there. So let us have a look on the website of GitHub. Okay, now click on sign up, and here you have to choose a username, basically a unique username like you choose on Instagram. Here the procedure is also same, so we have to try some random usernames and that should be available to GitHub. Let us try some combinations of words. This is not available. Okay. Enjoy music till I get the right username. Okay, fine. Now you have to enter your email address, and this email address will be the login ID for your account on github.com. Now you have to choose a very strong password for GitHub. GitHub is the place where you have to choose a strong password, or else it will create problem while creating the account. So I have to choose a very strong password, the combinations of characters, numbers, special symbols. Now okay, and now again I have to enter the email address. Now click on the verify, and there is some puzzled image and you have to make it straight. Okay, this should be right. Click on done. Okay, done with the job, and now create account. Okay, so welcome to GitHub, and okay, save it. Okay, welcome to GitHub, and here you have to choose a free plan. Basically it will give you a by default free plan, but you can choose for premier. Now what kind of work do you do mainly? So choose your work, like anything: teachers, students, software manager, UX and design, data analytics, anything. So I'm choosing software. And now how much experience do you have? Programming experience. So you can choose anything according to you. I'm choosing a moderate. And now what do you plan to use GitHub for? What is the reason behind switching to GitHub? So you have to choose 3 options from given 9. I'm choosing learn to code. Even you can create a website page using GitHub page. And now school work and student project I'm choosing, and then after I will go for some open source contribution. And you can choose even other options according to your need or desire. Okay, now I have to give my some interest. Based on my interest, it will show some feeds there. So like programming, software, coding, ethical hacking. That should be enough. Now click on the complete setup, and you have to also verify your email address, and on your email you will get a verification link, and you have to click there, and now you can see your email was verified. So this is the final look, and you can just choose any options from there, and but I'm going for skip this for now. And now this is the final. Here you can create a repository, you can commit public or private, so you are free to use your GitHub as per your need. You can create a repository from here and import repository also. Now click on explore GitHub. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. So please do share, subscribe, and do comment below. Thank you for watching.